Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome to the channel if you haven't been here before. My name is Ashley and we are making over our 1960s bungalow. Today is painting cabinets day, trying to get stuff in the kitchen done. Also, we're going to be painting the walls in the living room and the kitchen. So the paint color for this is the Ultra Pure White by Behr. The bottom part is going to be the dark navy by Behr. So I'm going to be showing you guys the process. This is our first time ever doing something like this. First time ever painting cabinets, painting the walls in general. We do a little bit of DIY projects around the house. We have done some in the past. So this channel, if you're liking this type of content, stick around. We're going to have a whole bunch of different types of videos like this. Beginner friendly DIY projects. Tape that we're using is the frog tape. It's the green tape like this, and so if you use this, they say it doesn't bleed through like the blue tape. That's what I heard, that's what I saw on YouTube, so I just believe it, and I only was gonna buy one tape. So he already started taking the doors off, and we're just gonna leave everything inside. Like I said, I'm gonna clear out all this stuff we have.
Wanna shake the ground, wanna break away, let loose. I'm tired of waiting, gotta make that move. All the neon signs, now they shout to me and you to write our story. Wanna shape the new. Do you wanna come along with me? Come along with me. Do you wanna? Got a restless mind, and now I won't let go. So let us be crazy before we are cold. You can take us out, your doubts won't hold us down, 'cause we're gonna light up the sky where we go. Oh, do you wanna come along with me? Come along with me. Do you wanna? Something, get it right. Gonna keep on running, grab the fun and live it life. And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something, get it right. Gonna keep on running, grab the fun and live it life. And tomorrow's far away, should I let the party fade? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something, let it snow tonight.
So small, watch the clock ticking off the wall, but tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin someone for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no.
So the top half is done. Well, not the cabinet doors, just the outline. We're gonna paint the cabinet doors tomorrow. Also the bottom. They're already numbered and everything. We just got to get some more supplies, guys. We need to get another rolling pad thing and another handle so we can do the navy blue, so we don't switch out the different colors and mix the colors. So we're going to do that for the navy blue bottom. And then we're kind of considering what we should do with the top of the, well, we're kind of considering what we should do with the trim. Should we paint the trim a different color or leave everything all white? As you can tell, I still gotta go and do some touch-ups around the top part. He's doing this side, so we'll be finished with that tonight. The first coat on the walls. It's just, you know, the ceiling looking like the popcorn ceiling, and then like it's kind of dingy now. The popcorn ceiling makes this look really, really dingy because it's like an off-white, and then this is like pure white. So yeah, we're definitely gonna have to get them to come out and replace the popcorn ceiling sooner than I thought. But this is the first coat, and we're going to pick up tomorrow on the second half.
Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me.
Good morning, guys. Coming to you from my daughter's bedroom. It is the next day. This is the only place that's semi-quiet in the house this morning. They woke up super early. The girls, it's just loud, okay? So my husband has already started prepping the bottom cabinets to be painted. He has his tape laid out and everything like that. I was about to go and help him, but then when I say help, I mean vlog. So as I was putting my memory card adapter into my camera, it fell on the floor. Not my camera, but the memory card adapter, it chipped. So now I can't vlog on my camera. I have to go to Best Buy and buy another adapter. That's what we're up to today. I'm going to show you guys the process. I'm going to try to get it all on my iPhone. This is what I'm using right now to record. I think it does a pretty good job, so we'll see. So this is the first coat of paint for the bottom cabinets. He has already started. Almost done. Just got this last one we want to do up here, and then he'll be done. He went to the store to get some, like another, he went to the store and got another paint, what is that called? Paint pan, and like some little brushes and stuff so he could finish it. We didn't want to mix the colors with the other pan, but yeah, so that's what we're doing now. I'll update whenever we finish. Alright guys, so I'm going to give you a quick update. He has finished the bottom cabinets with the first coat of paint. Go around here. So that's how it's looking. And now he is painting the upper cabinet doors. So he's leaving on the hardware because this is like the inside, so it doesn't show when you open the door how they have it made. So you could take these off and like dip them in like vinegar and water and like get all the grime and stuff off and then paint them again, but it kind of is unnecessary if you can't see it. So that's what he's doing right now. He's just painting the cabinets, and then we're going to let them dry. We're going to take the girls to the beach and then come back, and hopefully we can put another coat on the bottom cabinets, start on the doors for the bottom cabinets, and then put the second coat on here for here. So that's the update, and he's hard at work.
First coat on the front of it, and once I get done with this, I'll do the second coat on the cabinets and the bottom doors. I'll do the second part on the top too.
So we're going to be painting the insides of this white. Right, Canal? You said white? I think you said white. We're going to be painting this side inside white. So when you pull it out, it won't be just blue on blue. So I got this contact paper from Dollar Tree, and I just put it in all the shelves like this. I think it gives it a little something. I don't know if this seasoning is going to stay like this, but this is what it looks like right now. And once we paint it, it should look really nice like that. Yeah, so we got the black and white on the inside, and we got the blue. This is after the first coat so far. And he is working on the second coat right now. We had went to the splash pad to give the girls a little time off and to just breathe and enjoy their Sunday. But now we're back, and he's painting the inside of the cabinet as well, just the border, not like the inside. We're still trying to figure out what we're gonna do right here. We may even stain the inside of the cabinets to make them like a little darker, or just to give them a finish. Not sure yet, but right now we're just not worrying about that part. We're just doing the framing and the outside of the cabinets. So this is starting to look really good. And to me, it looks bigger in here. I'm gonna give you guys an overview. Like, I'm trying to straighten up, so let me straighten this up, and then I'm gonna give you guys an overview of the space once we get everything semi cleaned out or clear. All right, you guys, so this is after it's kind of leaking right there. You see that?
What do you mean leaking?
Right there on the side. This is after the second coat. I hope it turns out good, guys. The man with the plan. I don't know. I don't want to see it until it's done, okay? Just let me know when you get done with it all the way. Makes me nervous. So you still got this one, these to do, all these down here with the second coat. He has already put the second coat on the framing of the counters, which is, it looks really, really good. So that makes me nervous, so I'm just gonna wait on that. So this is how after coat 2 is looking. I think he said he's gonna go back and try to touch up the middle, like where the grooves are. But I think it looks pretty good. Yeah, so you have to touch up a little bit over here. And tomorrow he's gonna wait. Well, he's gonna wait till they dry, and then tomorrow he's going to go into the grooves and not touch this right here. Just go into the grooves. And I think it looks really, really good. First time ever doing it, huh, babe? Your first time ever doing it. And I just watched and uploaded videos and edited and stuff like that. The bottoms look really good. I can't wait to. You put the second coat? So that's just the first coat. It looks really good. So we'll pick up tomorrow after work. What? So we gotta be like this for all day. I gotta get some. We had kids were eating, I think that was breakfast.
Yeah.
And then they had pineapples, and then they had something to drink. So we gotta clean this up before we can call it a night. But that's it for day 2. I gotta upload this video because if not, it's gonna be so long. So we'll see how it goes.